In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in Base44. We'll walk through the full process together, so by the end, you'll be able to bring in your own typography and give your project a more unique on-brand look. I'll keep things simple and clear, and you can pause at any point to follow along in your own workspace. First, open your Base44 project and head into the editor, into the area where you can work with your styles or custom code. You'll usually find a section where you can add CSS, or a similar styling panel. This is where we'll be telling Base44 about your custom font. To bring in a custom font from the web, you'll start by typing the standard CSS import command. In the editor, type exactly this. @ symbol, the word import, and then the word URL, followed by a set of parentheses. Inside those parentheses, you'll paste the URL of your font file or your font provider's style sheet. It will look something like import URL with your own link in between. If you're using a popular web font service, you can usually copy that import line directly from their site. Make sure you include the full line, including the semicolon at the end. Once you've typed or pasted it into the Base44 editor, give the page a moment. This is where you'll start to see on-screen prompts. Base44 may highlight the code area or show you a confirmation that your import is valid. If there's an error, such as a missing parenthesis or a broken link, you'll often see a small warning or underline. Follow whatever guidance appears there. Check for typos, make sure the URL is correct, and confirm that your import line is on its own, not accidentally nested inside another rule. As you follow the on-screen prompts, Base44 will help you finalize the import. Once it's accepted, the font becomes available for use in your styling. At this point, you can reference the font in your CSS by using the font family property, using the font name provided by your font service. Take a moment to save your changes and preview your project. If everything looks good, your custom font should now be applied. That's all there is to it. Type in the @import URL line, follow the prompts from the editor, and your custom fonts are ready to use in Base44.